This is a quick video to demonstrate how to fit the coloured accent rings for the Vader 3 Pro onto the Vader 3 Pro without needing to open the controller. What I'm going to use is this small flathead screwdriver. If we look at the controller, we have the stock blue accent rings on. I'm going to place the screwdriver ever so slightly under. You'll feel it go when it's underneath, and then just pry them out. I just held in with these small friction clips. I'm going to take our Vader 3 Pro ones. Going to insert one of the pieces and then just push the others in around, and they snap into place. So I'll just fit the other one quickly. Just pry out the old, place in one side of the new one, and then push the others in and around until it snaps into place. It's a bit tricky with gloves. And there we go. The accent rings are now installed and work fully.